What's up, YouTube? This is your man, Apple OS X. Yes, I am officially back, and I'm back with a great video with you guys. I want to start giving you guys something different. So what I want to start doing is I want to start giving you guys iPhone videos. I was looking at my page, and I'm like, I don't have too many iPhone videos up. So right now, I'm going to give you guys some tips. And each video, I'm going to try to keep the video as short as possible, sweet and simple, straight to the point. I want to show you guys how you can save some battery life on your iPhone. And of course, right now I'm on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So again, you can be on any iPhone as long as you support 5G, because this video is specifically about 5G. Let's go inside settings. Once you're inside your settings, you will notice that you have cellular data options, roaming off, and of course, personal hotspot. Go to the very middle where it says cellular data options. Once you're here, you want to go to the middle again where it says voice and data. Here, you'll notice you have 5G on, of course, 5G auto, and LTE. Change it from on to auto, because if you have it set to on, it's going to look for 5G all day long. It's not going to care about your battery. If your phone is about to die, it's going to look for 5G all day long. Change it to auto, because with it being on auto, it's only going to use 5G when it feels that you can handle it on your iPhone, and it's not going to reduce your battery life as much. So again, I thought this tip here would be great for a lot of people if you did not know about it. This is your man, Apple OS X. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And again, I have more videos coming your way. That's going to be some awesome tips. And again, sweet and simple, right to the point. Holla at you.